yeah, so what you do is you either go into performance or track mode, and then you just go over here. I might be able to do it while riding. It's probably a little sketch. And you'll see launch control. You just turn it on, and then you go to first gear, pull the clutch in all the way, and the next part's gonna like seem, you don't want to do it, it's scary, but you just gotta pull the throttle down. It'll take you to 8,500 RPM, and then just slowly let off the clutch. Ooh, Ducati. All right, launch control. Oh my God. Wow. Holy crap. That was the very first time I ever did launch control on this bike. Wow. Oh my God. That is ridiculous. Okay, so guys, oh my God. So you can see there's 3 bars next to LC, so you only have 3 launches, and then, you know, the bike doesn't want you to keep doing it because it's bad for the clutch and all that, transmission. But we'll do it again. Okay, so you pull in the clutch all the way, you're gonna rev it all the way, and you just let out the clutch kind of slow and hold on. Oh, you can't let out the clutch out too fast or you might stall. I only have 1 left. I gotta make this one count. Oh my God. Whoo. Holy sh. Well, we used up all our launch controls. I'm definitely gonna have to mess with that in the future. It's kind of fun. Very scary though, because it feels like you're in a loop because you're keeping the rev so high. Oh jeez. Yeah, first time launching the Super Duke. I think I messed up the last 2, but the first one felt decent. We're gonna have to do that more in the future, and then test out some 0 to 60s and stuff. Who knows? It may be a lot faster using launch control than not using it. But yeah, short little video today, guys. Just wanted to show you my first experience using launch control. Definitely scary. It's always an event riding this bike, but catch you guys in the next one. See ya.